Hi everyone, today's story is The Pied Piper of Hamelin. The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Once upon a time there was a beautiful town named Hamelin. Life in Hamelin was peaceful and the people were prosperous until one day some rats began to play mischief in the town. Gradually their mischief took the form of menace. Day by day the rats multiplied and far outnumbered the people in the town. And they were no ordinary rats. In size they equaled the cats and in might they equaled the dogs. They chased away the children and beat the people. Run! People tried all the available means to get rid of the rats, but in vain. The mayor of Hamelin even announced a reward for anyone who could kill the rats, but no one came forward. Then one day there came a piper who offered to help. What would you pay me if I rescue your town from the rats? Nice melody. The mayor promised to pay him 10 bags of gold. The piper assured him that he would free the town of the rats. He stood in the streets and started playing his pipe. All of a sudden, hundreds of rats came racing towards him, squeaking to his tune. Slowly, the piper started walking towards the river. He kept on playing his pipe and the rats followed him. So engrossed were they that when the piper waded into the river, the rats also jumped into it. And then they were swept away by the current. Let them drown. Only then will the town be free. After this, the piper returned to the mayor and said, I have done my job. Your town is free from rats. Now give me the 10 bags of gold. I had promised 5, not 10, said the mayor. And he gave him only half the promised reward. The piper knew he had been cheated, but he didn't say anything. As soon as he came out into the streets, he began to play his pipe. The tune was so sweet that the children came running to the piper. He began to walk slowly. I saw led him to an unknown place. The mayor has not paid the piper properly. That's why the piper kidnapped our children. The children followed him all the way, dancing to his tune. Soon the people came to know about the disappearance of their children. It didn't take them much time to realize that what had happened. All of them rushed to the mayor for help. Our children are in danger. All because you didn't keep your promise to the piper, said the angry people. The mayor felt ashamed. I will beg his forgiveness, he said. Then the mayor called for the piper. We want our children back, safe and sound. I am so sorry, O piper, said the mayor. I am ready to pay you double the promised amount. Please bring back the children. The piper was a nice man. He had kept the children safe. He only wanted to teach the selfish mayor a lesson. You can take your children. Taking his reward from the mayor, the piper went on his way. As he walked out of the town, the people thanked him and cheered him. Thus, life in Hamelin became peaceful and the people prospered once again. There is magic in his pipe. If you like the story, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.